So today there is a short quiz reviewing the account balance that we've talked about and the unpaid balance method with finding finance charges. So your DIN today says, a portion of Hideo Nagata's charge account statement is shown below. The finance charge is 15% of the unpaid balance. What is the new balance? So we just gotta go through and fill out the table. So to find my unpaid balance, I take my previous balance and I subtract any payments or credits. So I'd take the $948 and subtract $300, which gives me $648. To find my finance charge, I'm going to take my unpaid balance and I'm going to multiply it by 1.5% as a decimal, so 0.015. Which is $9.72. And then to find my new balance, I'm going to take my unpaid balance, add it with my finance charge, and add it with my new purchases. Which is $809.72. Alright, your review for your quiz is in your packets, pages 5 and 6. So what I'd like for you to do, go ahead and pause the video and work through these, please. Alright, Franklin's credit card has a previous balance of $927.27. He made a payment of $200. His new purchases included $27.98, $125.55, with a finance charge of $9.71. What is this? What is his new balance? So this was the first thing we learned. So if you're confused, look back to page 1. You take your previous balance, you subtract the payments, and then you add the new purchases, and you add the finance charge. And that'll give you a total So I get a new total of $890.51. And that's it. The second one is going to be much like that. Dan has a monthly statement for his credit card. The previous balance is $525.56. He paid $100 and received a $27 credit. This month's new purchases include $128.25, $45.67, as well as a finance charge of $7.25. What is the new balance? So take my previous balance. He paid $100, so subtract $100. $27 credit, so subtract the $27. The rest added on. Yeah, $579.73. Alright, the table you should be able to fill out independently. We filled out a bunch. And again, this is where it kind of leads you through. So to find your unpaid balance, take your previous balance and subtract your payments. So $355.24. Your finance charge is 4%, so we're going to multiply the unpaid balance by 0.04. $14.21. And then we're going to add to get our new balance. $445.30. What I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video and I want you to work through the bottom of this worksheet. Fill in the rest of the table and answer number 4, please. Go ahead and pause because I'm going to go over it. Alright, so here is my answer key. Pretty straightforward. Bottom question, previous balance $1,225. Subtract the $800 payment. The finance charge was 7.5%, so 0.075. That's where this 30.02 came from. I added together my new purchases, so that way I only had to add the one number at the end for number 4. If any of your numbers aren't correct, I would go back and check what you put in the calculator. One minor mistake in the calculator can mess with everything. And we're going to move on to the next page. Two questions that have been almost exactly like your homework. Mike's unpaid balance is $347.92. The periodic rate is 3.5% of the unpaid balance. What is the finance charge? He has new purchases of $290.27 and $40. What is the new balance? So we're just going through. We're finding finance charge and the new balance. They tell us what the unpaid balance is, so actually the first step is already done for us. So step 2, my finance charge, I take my unpaid balance, multiply it by 3.5% as a decimal, which is 0.035. Which is $12.18. Right? Yep. So to find my new balance, I take my unpaid balance, add my finance charge, and add my new purchases. So I get $6.90.37. That would be my new balance. Number 6, Sally had a previous balance of $997.56. Her payments and credits total $200. The periodic rate on the unpaid balance is 3%. What is the unpaid balance? So the only thing we need to do in this case is step 1. So take her previous balance, subtract her payments and credits. $797.56, and that is all we have to do, just because of the fact that it only asks for unpaid balance. So now you have a quiz to work on. Make sure you get that done and you get everything handed in to me, please.